Imalotata imechi Ifugonotata mane makechi ade. Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Imalotata imechi Ifugotata imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Oh, Imechi, Imalotata, Imechi, Ifugotata, Imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Yesterday was the seed of today, and today is the seed of tomorrow. Ineme nkineme, nalu nkinalu, bulukwana bine chidime onye mechi ya. Imalotata imechi, Ifugotata imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Onye mechi ya, Imalotata imechi, onye mechi ya, Ifugotata imakechi ade. Yesterday has passed away, tomorrow you really don't know. No one knows tomorrow. Hi guys, good morning. My face is all swollen up. My fan is off. Like, I don't know what my life would have been without this fan. I don't know. Let me plug it. Let's plug it with this power bank. So let me be loud because I'm just waking up. I was saying I don't know what my life would have been without this fan. This fan has been with office. Calm down. So I hope you can hear me. So this fan has been a whole lot of help to me. The heat this period is just I'm surviving with this fan. And the good part I love about this fan is I told you guys I can just charge it with my power bank. Like if I want to leave it throughout the night with my power bank, the fan will continue to work throughout the night with my power bank. Even when once it's fully charged, if I unplug it, it will still work till the point that it will go off. So this fan with lantern is just the best. If you've not grabbed yours, go and grab yours, okay? Anyways, I did my nails yesterday. I know I didn't show you guys. I did my nails yesterday. I know that is long. I know. I know that is long, but I love my nails to be long. Seriously. And I love this color that I went for. See? I love this color. And this is the second one. So, I say let me show you guys, okay? So, let me know what you think about the color. For some persons, I know they'll be like, the color is too shouty. But anyways, It's just once in a while. I've been doing nude colors, and I said let me just go for something extra, okay? Anyways, good morning. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are okay. Have you subscribed to my channel? I don't know if I'm using this video to end the other vlog. I don't know why these days, since I don't vlog too much because of so many things surrounding me. I don't even know when to end my vlog. I don't even know when to start my vlog. So if this is the beginning of another vlog, it's okay. But if it's not the beginning of another vlog and I find out that the other one I vlog is too short, I might as well just add this up to make this like the end of a vlog, stuff like that. So whichever one, you guys should let me know. See, my fever blisters is reducing. See, it's dried now, but this part of my mouth is still looking big. It's still looking big. This part is looking small. Can you see the difference? Well, hey, this is the point we are right now, and I'm so grateful to God. So I'm getting better. Anyways, I need to do a lot of things this morning, so I need to get up of my bed. The only room I'm cleaning this morning is just this, my bedroom. Yeah, it's just my bedroom because when my baby was cleaning the house, she will not come and wake me and hubby, okay? So she'll just do the other part of the house. So this my bedroom, I'll do it myself. So I'll just wake up, clean. I'll just get up, clean my bedroom, have my shower, and then go for my checkup as usual. Then I go for my medications too and do other stuffs. Anyways, if I can, I'll carry you guys along. If I cannot, we'll just do small clips as usual. But I thank God this month I'm getting better. I also have to tie the growth in my leg so that it will cut out. Let me show you guys. So this is a growth in my leg. This thing, I've been tying this thing now for the past 2 days, and this is the process. So before the next 7 days, it will just fall off, okay? So this growth, as at when I tied it, it was not like this. So it's when you tie it, it will start getting dry. This is like the second time of me cutting it myself, okay? The first time that this growth was cut was a doctor that cut it for me. So the doctor now suggested that instead of we always coming to court, that I should be using rope, this normal rope. So I did the first tying when the growth came up, and this is the second time of me trying to like cut this myself. See, it's already getting dried already, so it will fall off. Once it fall off, before this thing will come up again that I will cut, to be like 6 to 7 years or 5 years before I will still cut again, okay? But you can see I don't want to be dragging it because I don't know how some of you feel, okay? Because me, honestly, I can drag it. I can drag it without feeling any pain since it's getting dried already. When you're tying it, the initial tying of the growth is when you have serious pain. I think that thing even led me developing fever as well. So but after like one day, after like the first 24 hours, the thing started shrinking, so to the point that it will fall off from my leg. And yeah, that's the update for today. So let's get some things started. Before I start, I need to rest more first. You know, it's your big. Let me enjoy my fast more. Because as I stay like this. Ah, London, oh. The power of London. London. Guys, go and patronize London for me, okay? I did a sponsored video about this. Go and patronize London for me. If you leave me here, I will sleep off. I swear. If you leave me here, I will sleep off. I'll see you guys later, okay? Ciao, ciao.